Good morning, fam. Let's awaken our bodies and kickstart the day with a focus on your core and lower back, areas that are key to feeling strong and aligned throughout your day. If you've been waking up with stiffness, tightness, or that all too familiar lower backache, this routine is your remedy. This flow is perfect for resetting your body and building a strong foundation of mobility and strength. You'll need just a mat or a soft surface. No fancy equipment required. Wherever you are, in your living room, bedroom, or even soaking up the morning sun outside, this flow fits into any space. In today's session, we'll stretch and activate your core and lower back with fluid, intentional movements. I promise you, by the end of these 5 minutes, you'll feel refreshed, supported, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Most people would hit snooze by now, but you're here, and that's what sets you apart. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with the classic cat-cow. Think of this as a morning massage for your spine. Come onto all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you drop your belly. Lift your chest and tilt your pelvis back for cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine. Tuck your chin and press into the mat for cat pose. Flow through this for 1 minute, matching your movement to your breath. The stretch warms up your spine, improves flexibility, and connects your movement with your breath. I promise you'll feel your back loosening up, tension melting away, and your body feeling more fluid. Beginners, keep the movement small and gentle. Advanced, hold each pose for a few extra seconds to deepen the stretch. From here, let's activate your core with dead bug. Now, we're waking up your core with dead bug, one of the best moves to building strength and stability. Lie on your back with your knees bent at 90 degrees, shins parallel to the floor, and arms extended toward the ceiling. Slowly extend your right arm and left leg toward the floor, keeping your core engaged and your lower back pressed into the mat. Return to center and switch sides. Alternate for 1 minute with smooth, controlled movements. This exercise strengthens your core, protects your lower back, and improves coordination. I promise by the end, you'll feel a stronger connection between your core and the rest of your body. Beginners, keep your range of motion smaller and focus on control. Advanced, hover your arm and leg closer to the floor for a deeper challenge. Let's transition into a lying double knee hug for some release. It's time to relax and release tension with a comforting stretch for your back. Lie flat on your back. Hug both knees into your chest and gently rock side to side. Feel your lower back pressing into the mat and your spine decompressing with each breath. This stretch gently relieves tension in your lower back, massages your spine, and promotes relaxation. I promise you'll feel lighter and more at ease by the end. Beginners, keep your movement subtle. Advanced, hold the stretch steady and focus on deep, intentional breaths. Let's strengthen and activate with glute bridges. Now let's activate the powerhouse of your lower body, your glutes, with glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the mat, hip width apart. Press to your heels as you lift your hips toward the sky, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower down slowly and repeat for 1 minute. This movement strengthens your glutes, supports your lower back, and improves hip mobility. I promise you'll feel more stable and powerful by the end. Beginners, keep the lift small and focus on control. Advanced, hold at the top for a few seconds and add pulses for extra activation. Let's finish standing with the full body stretch, standing forward fold. Finally, we're closing with a calming stretch to lengthen your entire back body and ground yourself. Stand tall, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, hinge at your hips, folding forward and letting your arms hang. Reach for your toes or rest your hands on your shins. Let your head hang heavy and feel the stretch through your hamstrings, lower back and shoulders. This stretch releases tension in your hamstrings and spine while calming your mind. I promise you'll feel refreshed, grounded, and ready for the day ahead. Beginners, keep a slight bend in your knees. Advanced, deepen the fold by placing your palms on the ground. Slowly roll up to standing, one vertebra at a time, and take a deep inhale to close the routine. Fantastic work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've activated your core, loosened your lower back, and energized your entire body. That's how you start the day, with purpose and intention. Most people would hit snooze, but you showed up. So remember that just by showing up, you've already won the day. Next time you see that notification bell go off, just press play and share with a friend who needs it. Oh, and don't forget to grab your free gift in the description. It's packed with surprises to level up your fitness journey. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.